Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about an interesting topic, that is KMC, Kangaroo Mother Care. So as the name suggests, this is some kind of care that the mother is providing to her baby. So this care is given to a low birth weight or a preterm baby. Now how this care is given? It is through skin to skin contact between our low birth or preterm baby and the caregiver, which is generally mother. In some cases, father can also give KMC. So, the KMC is to be started as early after the birth and is to be continued until we achieve our targets. In the case of KMC, we go for exclusive breastfeeding until and unless it is contraindicated. Before discussing about some evidences and other features, we will go on and discuss an interesting part, that is the position in case of KMC. So let's see this image. So we try to notice features in the position of KMC. The first point is the baby and mother are in direct skin to skin contact. As we observe and see, the baby lies straight in between the mother's breast and the legs are in frog leg position. In frog leg position, the hip joint and the knee joint is in flexion position and is externally rotated and in abducted position, just as the frog's legs are present in normal case. Okay, we also observe that mother is supporting the bottom of the baby with other hand and the head of the baby is in a semi extended position. This semi extended position has two benefits. The first one is it maintains the patency of the airway, keeping the larynx in the straight line, that is airway in the straight line. Second, it tries and maintains the skin eye to eye contact between the baby and the mother. The last point to be noted is that the baby's umbilicus lies at the level of xephisternum of the mother. So, while the mother is breathing, this stimulates the baby's breathing and decreases the episodes of apnea in the baby. So, these are bits about the position in the KMC. Let's get further. After discussing about the position, let's go on discussing about some evidences in the case of KMC. So we have found that KMC is as good as incubator in terms of providing safety and thermal protection. So it is considered an alternative or adjunct sometime to our thermal incubators. It also provides bonding between the mother and his child and her child. It also promotes breastfeeding and so it decreases the comorbidities in the case of a child. Talking about the criteria to include an infant or the preterm in the case of KMC, the low birth weight baby with a weight of more than 1800 gram is to be included to be given KMC. In the case the weight is less than 1800 gram, that is extremely low birth weight, we need to make this baby stable by keeping in incubator and other nutrition, and once he is hemodynamically stable and or is recovering, we can make KMC intervals to be given. The mothers generally that are included in the criteria are of any parity, any education, any culture or any religion. Okay, so caregiver, there are no such specific criteria to be included. We just need mother to be compliant and wanting to be give KMC to his baby. So positions in the case of KMC we have already discussed. The feeding given here, because the baby is preterm and the suckling and the swallowing reflex is not yet achieved. So here we express the milk and then given by Pellidi or Katori. The duration of the duration of KMC, mind you, can never be less than 1 hour, because if such short hour of KMC are included, there is massive handling of the baby within 1 hour. So this will expose the baby to hypothermia. So we never try to give KMC for less than 1 hour. We gradually increase the duration of KMC and we can prolong it up to 24 hours, okay, in a day. So only when the baby has to change diapers, okay, then only we separate the mother from the baby. Elsewise we make it more and more possible so that always the mother and the baby are in contact. The duration we have already discussed. When to stop KMC is important, okay. As suggested by the experts, it is said that when the baby wiggles and is not in situation to adapt, so when to stop, this point is important. So as suggested by expert, when the baby himself is more than 2.5 kg or the period of gestation has crossed 37 weeks, the KMC can be stopped. Also, practically, when the baby starts to have lot of movements and is unable to maintain a position in KMC, we get an idea that there is no more need of KMC. So these were some bits about KMC. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.